car that needs no introduction. The Mercedes-Benz SLS Black Series. What an incredibly rare car, an incredibly special car that it is. And we are actually fortunate to have worked on many of these vehicles. And the reason is because of the conversion that we do, not only on our sound system side of things on the Cambridge Car Audio brand, but this bit of functionality that we've added on to the vehicle. This SLS Black Series has now been equipped with Apple CarPlay in a whole nother way. And this is a world's first. Yet again, our team have carried out something that was said to be impossible. Let's jump into the car and show you. So inside the SLS Black Series, one thing that is just simply awful about this vehicle is the original entertainment system. So this is going to completely revolutionize your vehicle. So if you own one of these cars, and whether that be the SLS Black Series or the normal SLS, same thing. You've got this incredibly dated screen here. So the navigation system to begin with, I mean, that's literally not going to get you anywhere. It's not up to date. There's so many fundamental flaws with this original system, but that has all changed. And just check out how cool this is. So inside this vehicle, obviously a stunning interior. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to press and hold the back button, and it flicks over and shows Apple CarPlay, and this is completely wireless as well. So one thing that you've got, as soon as you flick over and press and hold that back button to show CarPlay, yeah, you saw me touch that. This screen originally is not a touch screen, but now it is. We've got full functionality. We've got Google Maps, we've got Apple Maps, we've got Waze. We've literally got everything all on this screen. And we've completely transformed it to being touchscreen. We've got all phone calls, literally everything you could possibly want when driving is all now here. You've got Spotify integration, literally everything you could possibly want. And just sat inside this vehicle now makes it so much more usable as a car. The original entertainment system was so dated, and now we've got all that functionality built into this new system, which is absolutely phenomenal. So really happy with the final results. We get asked, we've done quite a few of these. I think one of the first original ones we did was Shmi 150's SLS Black Series. It was a slightly different kit at that time of year, but honestly, this is so cool. The way it can integrate in and also have the sound coming through the original setup. Obviously, a lot of people on these cars do, while they've come into us, obviously they do travel quite a distance to get over to us, whether it be transported like this car is, or driven over if they are local. But the ability to be able to have a full new sound system in these vehicles as well is very popular, and we've done quite a few of them already, so it's worth having that discussion, and that is over with our Cambridge Car Audio brand. But I mean, overall really spectacular. The interactivity of the new screen, how it's all touchscreen, and just from driving, rather than having to use that joystick, having it all up there makes it so much nicer. And also there's nothing on display here. There's no even a new microphone. It actually utilizes the original Mercedes hands-free system as well, so even that is really good. It just works seamlessly well, and really proud to showcase another world's first of adding Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all completely wirelessly, as well as the fact making this screen a touchscreen. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.